What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a review of a survey app called PolePay. So currently on this app, my balance is £1.66. And to get this amount, it took me pretty 2 to 3 hours. And currently I have no surveys. After you get this option where if you answer the survey, you get more surveys. So let's do it. So I don't work at a company, but I'm just gonna write a random one. Okay, so after that survey, probably like 30 seconds, and I've got many surveys. Okay, so I'm just gonna go to the general one. So I'm just gonna show you an example survey, right? I'm gonna go for that general 2-minute one, which will give you 95 pence. Let's go. So what happens is it redirects you to another tab, and this is the company that will pay you for doing their survey. It said 2 minutes, right? So now my time is currently 9:08, so I should be done at 9:10. Oh, see that? See that? No reward. This is what happens sometimes. But I was given a pence. This happens for most of the surveys. These surveys are pretty long. And also what I kept noticing with this app is that the survey might be 12 minutes, but when you get into the survey, it might be even longer. So let's talk about payouts now. So you have various ways to get your cash out of your account. You have Amazon gift card, PayPal, Google Play. So all these options, and the lowest you can pay out is £5, but it changes for apps. So Amazon gift card is £5, PayPal is £10. Like, yeah, it varies a lot. If you check my history, I have answered many surveys, but most of them I don't get any reward for. So these ones are answered. This one answered yesterday. This one was yesterday as well. And yeah, got a penny or nothing. Only this one I got £1 for, but still I cannot cash it out because the lowest is £5, and that's for Amazon gift card. Also, you have an option to invite a friend. You can share your code with your friend, and your friend will be given 19 pence. And you will receive 30% of their earnings for every survey they fill up. So it's actually alright, good. Actually, that's my code. Okay, so I'm just gonna attempt another survey, see if it works this time. I'm trying to get to £2, so let's check this one. He rejected me again. So this survey is 10 to 15 minutes. What do the survey say? I think it's at 7 minutes or something. So this is what happens, they just take your time up. Alright, so again I got kicked out of the survey and I've been given 1 pence again. This doesn't happen most of the time, guys. It doesn't allow you to complete a survey. So I guess the type of person the survey needs is not me, or at least what I'm answering. Okay, so let me just show you some other stuff about this app. So sometimes you might not be paid. So like me, I went in the survey, I got kicked out right away, right? So I might be unsuitable to the survey, even though I might have the qualifications, right? So you might have given like contradicting questions. For this question you might have said something, and then for the next question you might have like said something else which contradicts to that point you just made. Sometimes you are rewarded with a pence for attempting the survey, but that's all you get. See, guys, like all surveys, this survey takes 10 years to give you some money as well. So like I said, this my balance took me around 2 to 3 hours to make, and that was it. I couldn't make it more as well. Some of the questions are just repeating, so it may ask you how much does your household make, how much does your household make, how many people do you have in your household, what age are they, all them kind of questions. Sometimes it goes really in depth, make it very personal as well, and you might think, is it safe to share this much information? Now, would I recommend this app? Probably not, because number one, it takes so long. Number two, it just keeps kicking you out, even if you are giving the answers honestly. You guys can try it out for yourself and let me know what you think down in the comments. Pretty much it, guys, for this review. If you did like that review, please do drop a like down below. Comment down what other surveys you'd like me to make reviews of. And if you're wondering, in this channel, I'm currently posting videos to do with business, money making videos, all that kind of stuff. If you're interested, please do subscribe, it'll help me out a lot. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video.